What's up, traders? In this interview, I got to meet Brian, and Brian has recently passed the CTI evaluation and is now one of our portfolio managers. And if it wasn't for the CTI funding rules, he wouldn't have actually found the success in the trading that he needed. And why is that? Because of the risk management rules. It forces traders to be disciplined and to follow the rules consistently. So watch until the end so you can see exactly how Brian passed the evaluation. And if you are enjoying the content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification so you are notified the next time we have one of these PM interviews. On that note, let's get into the interview. Hey Brian, how you doing?
Hi, great.
Good. Well, thank you for joining me today, and I want to congratulate you for passing the CTI evaluation. I know it's not an easy thing to do, so yeah, tell us a little bit about where you're from and some of your history with trading. When did you get started, and how are you finding your trading journey at the moment?
Sure. I'm from Pennsylvania, in the United States, and I started trading the markets, at least learning how to paper trade and so forth when I was about 16 years old. My dad got a book in the mail, and this was before the Forex market really was popular at all. It was mainly about futures and equities and learning technical analysis, and it's been a journey ever since.
Oh, wow. So your father had an influence there.
He did. It was our father-son project that he never really saw come to pass, but now it's starting to come for me. So I'm excited to be able to tell him that.
Awesome. I'm sure he'll be proud. And so it's been quite a long journey for you. How did you overcome some of your struggles as a trader?
The key there is risk management and understanding that small sizes are okay. I knew about the MACD signal and stochastic signal, buy and sell signals, when I was young, but no one ever taught me risk management, and CTI's risk management did make the difference. So I've tried other prop firms. It didn't work out. I ended up wasting a lot of money, and they didn't teach you how to be successful. You guys did teach us teach me how to manage the money. Because you get buy and sell signals all the time, but if you don't know how to manage your risk, then it's not going to work anyways.
Yeah, I absolutely agree with you, and I'm glad that you are, I guess, a product of our hard work, because we put a lot of effort and time and support to all the CTI funded traders. That's why we have 2 courses to help traders pass the evaluation. We're constantly making videos on YouTube to help traders pass the evaluation. It's a huge win-win for us as a firm and the trader, to make sure and to empower you and to motivate you and just teach you and sometimes even force you to do risk management. And that's why the rules are there. The rules, they force you to follow risk management, and you've obviously proven to be able to follow the rules. So not only have you proven it to us, but you've proven it to yourself, and that's what's really important. Moving forward in your journey as a trader. So if you struggled in the past with risk management, now you've had a good example of how to do it as a professional. So let's go through your trading statement, and let's see how you actually performed. So yeah, you started off on the 2.5K, and just looking through your stats, you have quite an impressive relative drawdown of 1.71%. That is very impressive. So well done for managing to achieve that. And you took quite a lot of trades. I can see total trades, 213 trades.
As soon as I was in a trade and something didn't feel comfortable and I had a gut check, I got out. So and that's I learned from that process. I won't probably have that much trades a month per se, but yeah.
Okay. Well, at least you have a process. It sounds a bit discretional, but discretional systems are really good. As long as you have a process, as long as you're following the rules, then you know you can do well. You had a 44% win rate, which is pretty average. But of course, that's why it's important to know when to be in a trade, when to be out of a trade, and how to follow risk management, as you said earlier. So this is your equity curve. So would you say, so you said you were a swing trader, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So these big winners, you remember which trades they were? There must have been
Oh yeah.
some big swings there.
Yeah. So that was Euro Yen, January 20th, no, 25th. So let's say January 25th to about the 31st ballpark. And I mean, stochastics were at the bottom looking for a buy. Awesome oscillator, which is I use
Yeah.
the Bill Williams strategy. It turned green on the AO, and AO's negative, looking for the buy. Stochastics is negative, looking for the buy. And then I have super trend instead of the alligator. I like super trend a little bit better. And yeah, so I mean, I started averaging in. It was like what 0.05, so it was like 5K lots positions. And the way I do it is when you see a good signal, just like hunting, you're waiting for the right move. So when I see a right move, I'm going to go in pretty heavy. So I hope and pray I'm not stopped out. Obviously, not risking 5% or whatever. You know, maybe risking though. I would probably go in 2.5% total on that move with for Euro Yen probably about a 2.5 risk to reward. So and that would pretty much almost level me up. I just need one more move and I can level up tiers.
Fantastic, fantastic. So so yeah, I guess my advice would be to definitely continue following your process. You understand what you're doing, you understand your strategy, keep following risk management. Take it easy in the beginning. It's in the beginning of starting a new account.
Oh, it will.
It can always be quite exciting,
Yeah.
but look, there's no time limit, so there's no rush. At this stage, what kind of advice would you give any funded traders that are looking to take their trading to the next level? Perhaps they might be studying, perhaps they might be working full time. What do you think? What kind of advice do you think they should be following at this stage?
For me, giving you advice, because I've done this with others in the past, and what I've learned to complete the process is you're only as good as your character. Patience, discipline, all of those characters, you can't get a buy or sell signal off of that. How many times do we see a stochastic signal and then trade against it? Does that make any sense whatsoever? It doesn't, right? So it's not going to necessarily be your chart strategy that makes the difference here. It'll be your risk management and then the character you develop to be a good trader. And that's what CTI, honestly, is as funny as it is. You guys forced me in the month of January to force me to develop that character, to beat the evaluation. So you're only as good as a trader as you are as your character.
Absolutely, that's a really good point. It's when you have the right attitude and when you have the right mindset, it really does help when you're trading. So yeah, I would again, I would like to thank you and congratulate you for participating in the evaluation and passing it. I wish you good luck, good trading, good discipline, good risk management. And as you know, we're just a message away, an email away if you need any assistance. But yeah, I've really enjoyed this conversation, Brian. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Our pleasure. Thanks so much. Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
So there you have it, guys. That was Brian, our new portfolio manager. And if you're interested in one of our funded accounts, hit that link in the description and you'll find out all the information that you need on our website. Alternatively, if you have any questions, you can email the CTI support team or join us on our Discord channel. The links are all in the description. So before you go, give us a thumbs up on this video. Hit that bell notification so you are notified the next time we have one of these videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.